Hello, AP Psychology. I am so thrilled to catch up with you guys. I can't wait until we get to see each other face to face. But until then, I will be having to communicate with you guys virtually. And I did have a screencast set up where you guys could see my face down in the bottom right with a little icon. However, the only computer that I have a nice webcam on is my loaner Chromebook. And when I recorded, the video was great, but the audio was super glitchy. So with that being said, I am now on my personal computer. It doesn't have a webcam, but I have noticed that the audio works a little bit better here. So let's get right into it. I hope that you guys are enjoying some of this time off to slow down and are engaging in some self-care, getting outside here and there, able to work on some hobbies and passion projects and that kind of thing. This week, what we're going to focus on, and I have updated these March plans, so feel free and please do take a look at these plans. But you'll notice the last time we had school was Friday the 13th. That was not very lucky, getting shut down for this crazy epidemic. But if you remember, we kind of finished our diagnosing the disorder activity on this day, and then we introduced some of the therapies. I really only got into the psychoanalysis and the humanistic approaches before our day was done. So unfortunately, or maybe fortunately, the rest will be kind of on you guys to read up and learn about. So with that being said, we are now sitting at Monday the 23rd being our first day back, all virtual of course, and know that we're going to be doing a worksheet today. Every assignment that is like a day-long assignment will be due at 11:59 p.m. That is kind of the protocol that the administrators have told all of the staff. This week, you guys will be working on a presentation or project where you're assigned a disorder and will have to research into that disorder specifically, as well as a treatment plan and what those different treatment options look like. So know that the rest of this week, you guys will be working on that, and I'll have some different ways to make sure that you guys get points for working every single day and that kind of thing. So stay tuned for that, but just know, starting off with Monday's assignments, those are all due at midnight tonight, and I will be understanding if you have glitches or some sort of extenuating circumstances. Since this is the very first day we're launching this e-learning platform, I can work with you guys a little bit on that due date for the first couple days here. But my hope is that all of you guys do get that worksheet done by midnight if possible. And then you guys will also get to indicate some of your top choices for which disorder you'll be assigned for this project. So let's bounce back to classroom, and the weekly plans will, like I said, be updated. And then the other thing that you guys need to be aware of is that every day we will post, I will post a new e-learning tab or category for that day and what specifically I'd like you to do. So right now you should be watching this e-learning video. None of these things are in color yet like these ones are because I haven't posted these. These are drafts right now. I'm technically working right now on Wednesday, the 18th. So I'm just getting ahead of myself and making sure I'm prepared. But once these go live, they should turn blue, and you guys will be able to see them in classroom. So the thing that you'll do after watching this video or kind of during this video is to look at the learning target and agenda. So your learning target is to be able to describe various psychotherapies and biotherapies in clinical psychology. And here's your 3 steps of how to complete today's assignment. So watch the video that I'm currently talking in make sure your sound is on, of course. And then number 2, complete the worksheet online using your textbook for the majority of it and using the internet only if necessary. And then finally, you'll fill out the question titled Disorder Presentation Top Choices, which I just noticed is, I'll have to rename this here, but you guys will figure it out. So in this question, you guys will be choosing 3 or 4 of your top choices and just commenting below. And from there, I will put together, I'll look at everyone's top choices and assign you hopefully one of those top choices, and you guys will get the assignment tomorrow. So again, always look at the learning target or the agenda for the day so that you can take a look at step by step what you are to do. And then today you guys will be doing this therapies worksheet. And this is coming from Unit 13 in your textbook, which I believe is modules 70 through 73. So you guys will put your name over here. It should make a copy for you. And then it goes by the psychological therapies first. And notice that whatever's on the left, you guys are just going to type out those answers on the right. And then you'll get to the green for biomedical or biological therapies. And then at the end, there is a section in your book that talks about just lifestyle changes in general that are suggested by a person with the last name Ilardi. So know that that's in the book as well. And if you guys have any problems, feel free to email me, or you can also comment. When you guys comment on your disorder choices, you guys could include some questions there and I can respond accordingly. Originally, this presentation was going to be for partners, but know that with the nature of this pandemic with coronavirus and trying to coordinate your schedule with a partner or two, it would just be a nightmare, I fear. So it will be an individual project worth about 60 points. And that's that. So if you guys have questions, email me or comment on this question here. And I hope you guys find a healthy balance between getting back into a routine for school and focusing more on the learning side of things as we continue going into the unknown. And one last thing, in terms of the AP exam, there is no for sure exam cancellation as of right now. But they have discussed on College Board's website that they will be able to do flexible testing depending on how many days each district misses. So right now, it says they've canceled the SAT, but in terms of AP tests, oh, sorry guys, I need to go over here. As of the 16th, they have not canceled anything. Although I know some of you guys might be in AP Computer Science, I think they are going to do some extensions there as of right now. So carry on and have an awesome rest of your day. Email me with questions. Thanks, guys.